Braadkyaas Jamiekan now give the news in the Jamaican language.
People, Wagwan. Me name Kadeen Marshall and me go give the news in the Jamaican language. First, me give the headlines them. Dr. Jamiekan McKay, who study crime, say people who get catch and send gun come Jamaica must get treated like terrorists because them pose one serious threat to national security. The Jamaica Teachers Association, JTA, turned down the wage offer from the Ministry for Finance under the new scheme. Giovanni Dennis win Television Jamaica Journalist for the year 2022. Now for the full tour of them. Dr. Jamiekan McKay, who study crime, say people who get catch and send gun come Jamaica must get treated like terrorists because them pose one serious threat to national security. Him did a talk last Friday after them find 59 guns at the port in Montego Bay. According to Dr. McKay, the rule them go for regular people, not for go for people who try to bring gun in the country, and the government must take it serious. On top of that, Dr. McKay says some members of the Jamaica Defense Force must go at the wharf in a Mobile for try stop people from send gun in the country. The Jamaica Teachers Association, JTA, turned down the wage offer from the Ministry for Finance under the new scheme. 560 teachers vote against the offer and 24 vote for take it and 3 ballot did pile. According to Dr. Mark Nicely, or the General Secretary for the JTA, the teacher them vote last Friday at the Wolmer's Auditorium. Giovanni Dennis win Television Jamaica Journalist for the year 2022. Him win at the Yearly Press Association for Jamaica, we keep at the Courtley Auditorium in a New Kingston. The judge them pick Mr. Dennis say him report on whole heap of important things. Mr. Dennis won the President Award for investigative journalism too. One 16-year-old boy in a hospital after a gunman shot him in a yard at Redhills Road in a St. Andrews Saturday. According to reports, around 9:30, the boy who got Meadowbrook High School lived the home with him family when 2 gunmen come in at the yard. The man them shot up the boy enough time and them get to in at the area. People rush to the boy and him in a serious condition at hospital. Police said them take up more than 14 spent shell at the scene and them no know what caused the shooting. The Kingston West Police said them find one gun with people not have no license pan Roach Lane Saturday. The police said them to the raid around 11:59 when them search one house and find one Taurus 9mm pistol and 2 magazines were having 13 9mm cartridge. Nobody no get locked up. Me name Kadeen Marshall and that are the news in the Jamaican language.
Braadkyaas Jamiekan just give the news in the Jamaican language.